Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to study about Python. Chapter 7, Review Python. Any task that you perform in your daily life consists of 3 steps: input, processing and output. Have you ever tried to make a clay toy? Let us see the process of creating a clay toy by following the given steps. Take a raw clay. Mold the clay into the desired shape. Finally, color the toy and leave it to dry. So you see that the formation of a toy is divided into 3 major steps. Raw clay is the input. Molding the clay and drying is processing, and clay toy is the output. A computer also works in the same manner. First, a computer accepts the data by the user and then processes the data, and finally it gives you the output. A computer performs all these functions with the help of programs. A program is a step-by-step sequence of instructions that help the computer to perform the given task. There are many programming languages that you can use to write the programs. For example, Python, C, C++, Java, etc. In your previous class, you have already studied about Python. This chapter will help you in recapitulating the previously learned concepts of Python. Now let us see features of Python language. Python is a general purpose high-level programming language which is simple and interactive, platform independent, case sensitive, object oriented, interpreted language, uses variable without declaration. All these features make Python a popular language. It was created by Guido van Rossum at CWI. It can be used for designing console apps where text-based applications is involved, like C and C++, desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications, machine learning, robotics, and performing scientific computing. Some popular applications which are designed using Python are YouTube, Google, Dropbox, Instagram, Quora, BitTorrent. Installing Python on your computer. So there is a tip: you can download various Python distributes from www.python.org/download. After installing Python, you will get the following screen. Now let us check an additional point. Python is an open source software. This means that its source code is available to the public. You can download it, change it, use it, and distribute it. This property of programming language is called FLOSS, that is free or libre open source software. So this was all about the introduction of the chapter. So I have just given you a short intro so you can go through it, and in the next classes we will continue with the chapter. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.